People ask me all the time, why do you build Villa Deluxe Paradise in Discovery Bay instead of Montego Bay or Negril? And honestly, that was very intentional. I wanted a part of the island that still felt peaceful, less crowded, less commercial, and more connected to the real rhythm of the island. Montego Bay and Negril is beautiful, but it is more active, more crowded, and tourist heavy. In Discovery Bay, it's different. It gives you the space to slow down. The water is calmer. The atmosphere is more private. And from the moment you arrive, everything feels more personal. So you can explore Jamaica, the food, the beaches, the experience, the culture. So when you go back to something quiet, grounded, intentional. That balance matters to me when I created Villa Deluxe Paradise. I didn't want people to just visit Jamaica. I wanted them to actually feel it. So if you're looking for a more private and peaceful way to experience Jamaica, Villa Deluxe Paradise is exactly that.